Introducing the Scudo Chevron Twilight Blue Wall Cabinet with Basin 600mm, a stylish and timeless addition to any bathroom, available here at Bella Bathrooms. This elegant wall cabinet exudes sophistication with its classy twilight blue matte finish. The contemporary handles are customizable, available in various colors to suit your personal taste and decor. Plus, the soft closed drawer mechanism ensures quiet and smooth closing every time, eliminating slamming and nipped fingers. No need to worry about assembly as this cabinet comes assembled and is made from moisture-resistant materials to withstand daily bathroom use. The gloss white polymarble basin with overflow adds a luxurious touch and ensures durability. Elevate your bathroom with the Scudo Chevron Twilight Blue Wall Cabinet with Basin 600mm, a perfect fusion of classic design and modern functionality. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Chevron range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.